So as you can see here, I've organized some one small piece and a large piece to fix this end once the work is done. So I intend to put the small one first and on top of it the larger one. So I slide in the larger one first and then the smaller one. So that should be work for later. Now since I intend to straight through connect the negative terminals, I'll prep the negative terminal and come back. As you can see that I have put all the three wires, the negative coming from the cable and the two negative wires, the blue wires coming from the fan and light assembly together. So I'll be crimping them together. So I have this habit of folding this tip together so they all stay together. And insert it to a position where the copper wires, twisted copper wires, stay in the metal capsule, and then a nose plier squeezing it should do the job. Now I'm moving on to the preparation of the switch assembly. So you can see that there are going to be 4 terminals. 2 of them would be short and that will be the source of power. So the other 2 terminals will go one to the fan and one to the light. So I'll prepare those and get back. Please give me a moment, please. See, I've got these flat pin connectors and a common Y connection connector made. So I'm just going to heat shrink sleeve these connector terminals. Just a moment, please. Now it's time for us to connect this Y connector to the positive power supply, a DC power source from the USB cable. So I'll do that just in a moment. You can now see all the wire connections from the power source, the cable, USB cable here has been prepped. So now I will go on to finish connections to the load side. One is the light and one is the fan. So that I will have to terminate at the switch. So I'll do that. Just a moment, please. Now, like I explained, the 2 load wires, the red to the red and black to the black, are made an extension. So these you can see. So that these could be connected to the switches. So now let's go ahead and do that. So I'm connecting the red here and the black on the side. The black is technically the fan in our setup, and so these as well. So we are all set to go. So before I put the whole thing together, I would like to do a test run. So I'm just making sure that the switches are off. I'll blow out my battery bank. So battery bank is connected. So I guess unfortunately I have not planned for any light indication, so let's try. Oh, that's the light coming on. That's great. And I'm seeing the fan. Woo! Fan's on too. And the load is taken over from the battery bank. So I'm fine. I'm cool. So since the test is good, I'm going to go ahead and assemble the whole thing together and put all the loose wires inside, fix it up, and get back to you. Just a moment, please. In the meantime, I'm going to disable this board and put it inside so that the base is closed. Otherwise the base would be wide open. So I'll be doing that now. Just a moment, please. Hi, here is the complete setup. I even put in the small markings, F and a red dot for the light. So that's very evident. It's connected to the battery bank. So there goes the fan. and here goes the light. So thank you for watching.